What's going on, everybody? Today is Jeremiah's birthday party. How old are you going to be, Jeremiah?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 years old.
And what theme are you going to have?
A Batman.
Batman.
Jeremiah, do you want everybody to come to your party? Yes.
Alright guys, we'll see y'all there. Peace. What's going on, everybody? We're here at Jeremiah's birthday party. We're going to show you everything we've done so far. Nobody's here yet, so we're just kind of getting everything ready. Anything you want to say? No?
I hope Jeremiah has a great birthday.
I can't believe you're 4 years old, Papas.
Let's show him everything, okay? Alright guys, we just finished up Jeremiah's birthday party. Now we're cleaning up. What did you think, Jeremiah? How was your birthday?
Good.
Good? What was your favorite thing?
The bouncy house.
The bouncy house? What do you think, Mia? How did everything go?
Really good.
Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Happy birthday. We love you.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.